We're going to do test 6, understanding directions. You will be asked to point to several things in this picture. Listen carefully because you will hear the directions only once from these headphones. Do not point until you hear the word go.
Point to the dog. Go.
Good.
Point to the truck. Go. Point to the cat. Go.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and go to the ones for your grade.
Point to the balloon.
Sorry, let me go to picture 4. Just wanted you to kind of practice with that first, okay?
And then point to the balloons and then something flying in the sky, but not to the airplane. Go.
Good. Good.
Point to the boy with a skateboard, and then the cat in front of the tree, but not the cat by the table. Go.
Good.
Point to the animal closest to the party, then the airplane, and then the balloons. Go.
Good.
Point to either the birthday cake or the balloons, but first, point to the airplane. Go. Except for the adult, point to each of the people at the birthday party, and then the bird not on the ground. Go. Point to a person between the 2 trees, and then the 2 tall buildings in the background. Go.
Good job.
Point to the child whose back is fully turned, then the cat in front of the tree, and then the boy wearing the party hat. Go. If there are at least 2 tall buildings, point to either the cat by the table or the dog closest to the boy on the skateboard. Go. Point to the bird in the lower left corner, and then the person swinging before you point to the front wheel of the bicycle. Go. Don't point to the airplane and then the birthday cake unless there is a ball and a cat somewhere in the picture. Go. Point to the chair in the lower left corner, and then the cat on the couch if the television is on. Otherwise, point to the picture on the left wall, and then the ball. Go. Don't point to the rug, and then a lamp, unless there is a couch, a chair, and a television in the picture. Go. After you point to the child on the rug, and then the picture on the right wall, point to a dog, but not the largest dog. Go. Before you point to the child who is standing, and then the cat closest to the book, Point to the lamp next to the couch. Go. Point to the plant by the cat and then the picture on the left before you point to the rug. Go. If a cat is on the couch, point to the child next to the ball after you point to the clock. If it is not, point to the picture on the left wall and then the lamp near the couch. Go. Point to the person in the chair before you point to the television, but after you point to the smallest dog. Go. Point to the biggest dog, and then either the television or the book on the floor before you point to the child by the ball. Go. Point to the cat on the couch after you point to the book on the floor, but before you point to the clock. Go. While you point to the chair in the lower left corner, point to the cat near the plant, but first point to the book on the floor. Go. Except for the ones on a plant or the ground. Point.
Sorry, you can look over this. Can look over that for a little bit, and then I'll push play.
Point to the balloons and then something flying in the sky. Hat. Flower.
Okay, I'm just gonna read them to you. Except for the ones on a plant or the ground, point to all of the birds and then one rabbit. Go. Point to the smallest horse and then either the spider or the wagon wheel before you point to the bird on the cactus. Go. Point to the snake before you point to the mouse in front of the rabbit, but after you point to the spider. Go. If the butterfly is on a plant, point to the rabbit that is closest to the mouse in front after you point to the spider. If it is not, point to the bird in the upper right corner and then the spider. Go.